Hello, this is TNT Bros, and today I'm going to be giving you some facts about the river and how it floods. This is the Calf-Killer River, and it's in my backyard, and it just flooded because it's rained for 3 days straight. So I'm going to give you some facts on flooding rivers such as Calf-Killer. So, fact number 1. The reason why Calf-Killer turns, well, any other river, or even the ocean, water. Anytime water turns brown, it's because it takes down mud from the sides. You can see this big old hole where it's took down a ton of mud, and it's colorized the river brown. Fact number 2. Have you ever wondered why the middle is always faster? Well, the entire river would be fast, just like the middle, only if that branch and all this stuff wouldn't stop this to be calm. That's why the middle has a good, steady current flow, and it just goes all the way straight down and through. So, fact number 3. If you ever see a spiral like a mini hurricane, if I could find one somewhere. Anyway, keep your eye out. If you ever see a mini spiral like a water tornado, or just like, there's one right there. They are caused from whenever the steady comes, and it comes into this, and so it also hits the fast running water, and it makes a spiral whenever it comes in. So like, if something were coming this way, and then something hits it this way, it's going to go and turn, so it would go in a spiral. That's why sometimes you see little spirals like that one right there, or a lot of other ones. So, fact number 4. The Calf-Killer River, or any type of river, can get to be as low as somebody could just walk across the river. Could get as low as like 4 feet. And they could get as high as 50 feet. But, or 25 feet. It depends on the river. But right now, I'd say the Calf-Killer is at 25 feet right now. 30 feet maybe. And my dad is 5'9", no, 5'11", 5'11", around 6 foot, and he's able to usually just walk across the river into the cow field. This is a cow field, and there's no way that he could ever walk across this river. It is about 25-30 feet deep because of how much is flooded, and that's a lot for a river to flood. It's also rained 3 days straight, so not necessarily like that surprised, but fact number 4. No, 5. 5, sorry guys. This is fact number 5. Rising rivers can cause landslides like this. You can see it's tore apart in the mud and it's just fell right in. You see where it's took all that. And also dry spots like California, they have a lot of landslides because it's just so dry. No roots can just hold it in. So that's also why you see landslides. And another thing that happens is like the river, whenever it's like this, if it were all to be going fast, it would be going at a faster speed because you would have no spots coming in. Ooh, that scared me. A part just fell in. Oh gosh. As you can see, that was part of a landslide where that all just fell in. And so, this would all be faster. And so right now, it's going about, I don't know, 7-10 miles per hour right now in the middle. But if it were all going at that speed, oh my gosh, there's a beaver. Holy cow, oh my gosh. Did you see that? I just saw a beaver. Oh my gosh. That was so startling. Did you guys see that? Holy, whoa. That scared the heck out of me. Oh my gosh. Okay, so, anyway, if the entire river were to be going as fast as the middle, it would be going at a faster speed of about 10 miles to 13 miles per hour. But different rivers, you know, can all range in different speeds. So, thank you for watching. That was TNT Bros of 5 facts about rivers, and I hope you liked it. And the startling fact that I just found the beaver right in front of me, which was so scary because I was not expecting it. Very startling. In fact, I have another story to tell you. One time I was kayaking down here. I was way down there. And this beaver pops out right behind my boat. It scared the heck out of me. And so it went down, splashed its tail. So I was pedaling as fast as I could. But then I heard like 2 other ones splash their tail. So I was screaming, going as fast as I could. So, that's just my story. Thank you guys for watching. This is TNT Bros. I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe, put a thumbs up. And, I'll be putting up another video in about a week. Please stay tuned. And, please share this video with other people, your friends, family, anybody else that you think might be interested or anything. Oh my gosh, see that? I think that's the beaver. See that? How it's wobbling? Whoa. That's crazy. Anyway, please share this video and please subscribe. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.